Hey family, welcome guys. Welcome back to Investor Piggy Farms. So today we want to talk about ram farming and goat farming. So yeah, look at this very active big bull male sheep. Now look at these goats. Look how tall it is. Just now many pounds of carcass, very sweet meat you're going to get from this. These are nice breeded goats. Do you love this? Love what you see? Wow, look at this slow motion. Very, very nice. Awesome goats. Love it. So this is the mother ram. So all these are our balami rams. Very good breed of rams. These are red Sokoto goats. That's why they are tall, not like our West African dwarf that are more of short goats. So these are also very, very good rams that you love. Thank you.